If you're trying to share songs inside of SoundCloud, in today's video, let me show you exactly how it is done. Now, whether you're trying to share it to social media or share it to your friends, let me show you on exactly how it is done. First things first, open up the exact song that you're trying to share. And once you're inside, you can see this arrow icon, which is going to be the share option. Once you click on this option, there are three sections on the top, as you can see. The first one is share, where you can share to one of these social media platforms, or you can also select the share via email. Or if you don't want to share it to social media, you can also copy in this link. You can also make this link shorter because this is going to be a long link if you take a look at it. If you want to make this link shorter, you can click on the shorten link option and a short link will be created. Now, apart from sharing it or copying the link, you can head over to the embed section. And if you want to embed this code inside of your website, you can also do that by copying this code, or you can also directly send this track to some other user inside of SoundCloud. So you can type in the username of the person that you're trying to send to and then click on the send option on the bottom right. So by using these three methods, the social media, the copy link, and the message option, you'll be able to share songs or tracks inside of SoundCloud. If this guide video did help you out, be sure to subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up.